If you are wondering how long does the battery last on the Xiaomi 15T Pro, then let me quickly answer that question for you. So I will just consider a typical standard daily usage of the phone, which includes calling, browsing the web, watching videos, and a little bit of gaming as well. So in this case, the average time is approximately 16.5 hours on a full charge from 100 to 0. But of course, depending on what we actually do on this phone, we can get a slower time, less time or more, of course. So for example, if you use your phone just for calling, then you will be able to reach even 30 hours of the battery. If you just browse websites, for example, if you use the browser and so on and so forth, then in this case you will reach probably around 15 hours. If you just use 100% of the battery on videos, if you just keep watching videos, then you should get approximately 22.5 hours. And for games, you will be able to play games for 9.5 hours. So if you don't play games at all, you will of course get a little bit more of this time. If you don't watch videos a lot, then of course this also has an impact. Also, the features that you use on your phone, such as the high refresh rate and some other stuff like always on display and so on and so forth, this also has an impact on the battery consumption, of course, so you just have to keep that in mind as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.